The 3I Atlas comet is coming for Earth. So this is wild. Scientists just found something about 3I Atlas that no one saw coming.
A fast-moving object the size of Manhattan is hurtling towards our solar system, and it will make its closest pass to Earth on December 17th. Comet, asteroid, or something else?
I mean, this isn't your average comet flying by. It's something way stranger. The data they just released is shocking. It's even got NASA scientists totally stumped. Whatever this thing is, it's not behaving like anything we've ever seen before. And some people are starting to wonder if we should actually be worried. Okay, let's rewind for a second. 3I Atlas was first spotted by the Atlas telescope in Chile. At first, astronomers thought it was just a piece of cosmic junk, a random space rock passing through. But nope. As the data came in, they realized it was interstellar, meaning it came from outside our solar system. Now that alone is rare. Only 2 other objects like that have ever been seen, Unnatural and Borisov. But what's got scientists freaking out is that 3I Atlas doesn't act like either of them. Instead of zipping past the sun and disappearing forever like the others, this thing's slowing down. Yeah, slowing down. Like something's tugging at it. And even weirder, its tail isn't pointing away from the sun like normal comets do. It's actually pointing toward it. That shouldn't even be possible under normal physics. I mean, if solar radiation pushes material away, how on Earth, or rather in space, does this comet's tail move toward the sun? It's like it's breaking the rules of the universe. Now, here's where it gets creepy. Scientists notice that despite venting massive amounts of gas, 3I Atlas isn't changing direction. Usually when comets release gases, it's like tiny rocket thrusters pushing them slightly off course. But this one? It's staying perfectly stable, almost like something's keeping it locked in place. Some astronomers have even compared its movement to a spacecraft performing controlled maneuvers. Yeah, that's right, controlled. Could it be artificial? No one wants to say it out loud, but that question's hanging in the air. Just recently, the craziest part dropped. New data shows 3I Atlas might actually be getting trapped in orbit around our sun. That's right, it might not be leaving. Every other interstellar visitor we've seen, they come in, swing by, and vanish forever. But this one's slowing down just enough for the sun's gravity to possibly catch it. If that's true, it would be the first interstellar object ever captured by our solar system. That's never happened before. It's like the universe just decided to give us a permanent guest. Or maybe a warning. And the timing is way too perfect. Around October 21st, it passed behind the sun from our view, something astronomers call solar conjunction. Then on October 29th, it reached perihelion, the closest point to the sun. That's when scientists started noticing the slowdown. Now, if its speed keeps dropping just a little more, it could fall into a long-term orbit, basically circling our sun like another planet. But come on, what are the odds that an object from another star system just happens to do that? And just when you think it couldn't get any weirder, scientists found something in the gases it's releasing. Using powerful telescopes, they detected a metallic compound called nickel tetracarbonyl. Now here's the thing, that stuff doesn't exist in nature. It's an industrial gas used on Earth to make alloys and jet coatings. It only forms under controlled, factory-like conditions. So yeah, either this comet has chemistry that defies everything we know, or it's giving off materials that look manufactured. The weird part is that the gas isn't just leaking randomly. It's coming out in steady, timed bursts, like a pulse. It's so precise that some researchers are saying it looks engineered. And yet, it's still perfectly stable, not spinning or breaking apart like a comet should. So now, everyone's asking the same question. Is this thing natural? Or is it something else? Because if it's natural, we've just discovered a new kind of chemistry in the universe. But if it's not, then we might be staring at something ancient, something built, drifting through space for millions of years. Now, here's where things get a little scary. Based on its path, if 3I Atlas does get trapped around the sun, its orbit could eventually cross Earth's path. Not immediately, we're talking years down the line, but still, it's big enough, dense enough, and mysterious enough to make scientists nervous. It's roughly the size of Manhattan, and if something like that ever hit Earth, well, it would be game over. So yeah, everyone's watching it closely. NASA, ESA, every major telescope. all focused on this one object, trying to figure out what's really going on before it gets too close for comfort. Right now, 3I Atlas is hidden behind the sun, but once it reappears, astronomers will know for sure if it's leaving or staying. If it really is in orbit, it'll be the first time in human history that an interstellar object became a permanent part of our solar system. And if it keeps releasing that strange metallic gas, well, then the mystery only gets deeper. Could it be an ancient probe, a fragment of some dead civilization, or just a freak of cosmic chemistry we don't understand yet? No one knows for sure, but one thing's certain, the story of 3I Atlas isn't over. Not even close. So yeah, something's out there, slowing down near our sun, releasing materials we've never seen before. Whether it's natural or not, one thing's for sure, it's rewriting everything we thought we knew about space. If you want to keep up with the next update when 3I Atlas reappears from behind the sun, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Because whatever happens next could change how we see the universe forever.